Have you ever wondered why your legs feel weaker as you age, despite staying active and eating what you thought were healthy foods? What if I told you that some fruits you're eating might be part of the problem? It's true. While fruits are often considered the cornerstone of a balanced diet, certain types can unexpectedly sap your strength, especially as you age. In this video, we're diving into the surprising list of 10 fruits that could weaken your leg muscles, and what to eat instead to stay strong. As we age, maintaining muscle strength, particularly in our legs, becomes increasingly important for mobility and independence. Diet plays a critical role in this, but not all seemingly healthy choices are beneficial. Some fruits can lead to muscle weakness, inflammation, or even interfere with nutrient absorption. Let's explore which fruits might be sabotaging your strength. Fruit number 1, bananas. Bananas are often praised for their potassium content, which helps in maintaining heart health and muscle function. However, they are also naturally high in sugars, specifically fructose and glucose. When consumed in large amounts, these sugars can cause insulin spikes, leading to energy crashes and muscle fatigue. For seniors, this can translate into weaker legs and reduced stamina, especially if bananas become a frequent snack. Moderation is key. Try pairing bananas with protein or whole grains to minimize the impact. Fruit number 2, grapes. Grapes are small but pack a punch when it comes to sugar content, particularly fructose. While they are rich in vitamins like C and K, the high fructose levels can cause rapid blood sugar fluctuations. This is particularly concerning for older adults, as unstable blood sugar can lead to fatigue and reduced muscle strength. Additionally, excessive consumption may contribute to weight gain, stressing leg muscles and joints. Consider eating smaller portions and balancing them with protein to stabilize energy levels. Fruit number 3, cherries. Known for their vibrant color and sweet tart taste, cherries are packed with antioxidants that combat inflammation. However, they also contain significant amounts of sorbitol, a sugar alcohol that can cause bloating and digestive discomfort when consumed in excess. This can indirectly impact leg strength, as muscle cramps or soreness can arise from gastrointestinal stress. Seniors who are prone to digestive issues might notice muscle fatigue after eating too many cherries. Moderation is essential to enjoy their benefits without the drawbacks. Fruit number 4, mangoes. These tropical fruits are beloved for their juicy sweetness and high vitamin A content. However, they are also calorie-dense and contain a substantial amount of natural sugars. Eating too many mangoes can lead to elevated blood sugar levels, which may result in reduced energy and sluggish muscle performance. Seniors who consume mangoes frequently might notice a decline in endurance, particularly in leg strength. To reduce the impact, enjoy mangoes in small servings, paired with a source of healthy fat or protein. Fruit number 5, dried fruits, like raisins and apricots. Dried fruits are often marketed as healthy snacks due to their high fiber and nutrient content. However, they are also extremely concentrated in sugars and calories, as drying removes water but retains sweetness. Eating too many dried fruits can lead to a significant increase in blood sugar levels, resulting in fatigue and potential inflammation. For seniors, this can contribute to reduced leg strength and increased joint discomfort. To mitigate these effects, consume dried fruits in moderation and pair them with protein or whole grains. Fruit number 6, citrus fruits, like oranges and grapefruits. Citrus fruits are known for their high vitamin C content and refreshing taste. However, their acidity can pose a problem for some seniors, leading to joint pain or discomfort, particularly for those with conditions like osteoarthritis. While occasional consumption may not cause harm, regularly eating acidic fruits might worsen inflammation and muscle soreness. This can indirectly affect leg strength, making mobility more challenging. To minimize risk, balance citrus with alkaline foods or choose lower acid fruit options. Fruit number 7, pineapple. Pineapple is cherished for its tropical flavor and digestive enzyme bromelain, which can reduce inflammation when consumed moderately. However, some seniors might experience muscle irritation or discomfort due to bromelain's enzyme activity. In addition, pineapples are high in natural sugars, which can contribute to blood sugar spikes and subsequent fatigue. If you notice muscle stiffness or soreness after eating pineapple, it could be a sign of sensitivity. Try limiting your intake or balancing it with low-sugar, non-acidic foods. Fruit number 8. Watermelon. Watermelon is celebrated for its hydrating qualities, especially during hot weather. Despite being mostly water, it is also high in natural sugars that can lead to energy crashes if consumed in large amounts. For seniors, this rapid rise and fall in blood sugar can result in feelings of weakness or muscle fatigue. While watermelon can be part of a balanced diet, eating it in moderation and combining it with protein can help stabilize energy levels. Consider a small serving rather than overindulging to avoid potential drawbacks. Fruit number 9. Pears. Pears are a great source of dietary fiber, which aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar. However, their high fiber content can also cause bloating and gas, especially when eaten in large quantities. For seniors, this digestive discomfort can make mobility more challenging, as bloating may lead to feelings of heaviness and reduced agility. Additionally, pears contain sorbitol, a sugar alcohol that may cause cramping if consumed excessively. To avoid these issues, enjoy pears in moderation and alongside other balanced foods. Last but not least, fruit juices, like apple and orange juice. While convenient and tasty, fruit juices often lack the fiber found in whole fruits. This means that the natural sugars are absorbed more quickly into the bloodstream, causing a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. These spikes can result in an energy crash, leaving seniors feeling fatigued and less steady on their feet. Additionally, the lack of fiber can lead to digestive issues, further impacting leg strength and overall stamina. Whenever possible, choose whole fruits over juices to maintain balanced energy and muscle health. Dear viewers, instead of overindulging in these fruits, opt for berries, apples with peel, and kiwi, which provide antioxidants without the high sugar load. Balancing fruit intake with protein-rich foods can help stabilize energy and maintain muscle health. While fruit is an essential part of a healthy diet, it's crucial to know which ones might be undermining your leg strength. By making a few simple swaps and balancing your fruit choices, you can keep your legs strong and your mobility intact. Additionally, staying hydrated and incorporating leafy greens can support muscle health and reduce cramping. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips on healthy aging, and hit that bell so you don't miss what's next. If there are any other health topics you'd like us to cover, please leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Stay mindful, stay strong, and take charge of your health.